friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Juice box, a juicy juice box, not your everyday ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box, we want a juice box, a juicy juice box, not your everyday ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box, a juicy juice box, not your everyday ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box.
Kiddo Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so I hope you all had a very nice day today. Today is actually Monday, so today's date is 4th of May. So the new month has begun and everyone's happy. Now we have I can't say summer vacations are coming because only after like maybe 1 month we have a summer vacation, 1 or 2 months. So so I can't say summer vacations are coming. So anyway, our school days are coming. So school, now we have first our formative assessments coming. Then we have all things like that coming for our exam. So I hope you all are ready for it because these exams are count up to make a huge, that is your final report card. So you better be ready. Otherwise that'll be a big issue. So anyway, today also we will be having a topic. Today's topic is actually a very relevant topic, something that we have to do in our daily lives. Maybe most of us don't do, but it's actually something that's important in our everyday life. So today, before that, let's I told you now what you have to do is call me at 0529611333. So you can see the number on the screen. You can call in the number. You can talk. You can play games. For there are many games. We have GK game, GK questions, riddle questions. Spelling game, dictionary game, tongue twister, dictionary, atlas, connection. So many games. So all these games, any one game you can play with me. You can have fun. You can tell me if you have any talent. You can sing, anything like that. So our topic for today. Our topic for today is actually before I give you the topic for it, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Tara.
Tara. Okay, Tara, which grade are you in?
I'm in 5th.
5th grade. Okay, so which school are you in?
I'm in Model School Abu Dhabi.
Model School Abu Dhabi. Okay, so where are you living? Where are you calling from right now?
I'm in
Musafa, okay. So you go to model school and you have a lot of friends and all, right?
Yeah.
So in the morning, what time do you wake up to go to school?
I wake up usually 5 o'clock. If I am little late, I'll wake up at 5:30.
5:30, 5 o'clock, that time. So when does your school bus arrive?
I'm actually walking because my school is near.
Okay, so your school is near, so you walk and go to your school.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much is the approximate time you take to get to your school, like walking?
Maximum 5 minutes.
5 minutes only, okay. So that'll be, you will go alone every day, right?
Yeah, if my friend is coming early, I will go. Otherwise, I'll go alone.
Otherwise, you'll go alone, okay. So you're not scared and all to wake up in the morning and walk, to your school? Okay, it's just 5 minutes, just near your house, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, Tara, now what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are art and reading.
Art and?
Reading.
Okay, so what, in art, what do you actually prefer? What do you like to draw? Maybe like painting? So what do you like?
I like pencil sketching and canvas painting.
Okay, so you like canvas painting and?
Pencil sketching.
Pencil sketching. So what do you sketch?
I sketch cartoon characters.
Cartoon characters. So can you tell some examples of some cartoon characters you have sketched?
From Frozen movie I did some characters.
From which cartoon?
Frozen, one movie.
Okay, then what else?
Then I did SpongeBob.
Okay.
Then I did this one girl, this Barbie.
Barbie. Okay. So you like sketching. So why don't you send some of those pictures to us?
Okay.
Okay. So do you know the email ID? You have to send it to kiddokids@ntvua.com.
Okay.
Okay. So I hope I'll be receiving your pictures.
I surely do.
Okay. So Tara, so don't forget to write your name on it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So canvas painting also, what do you actually draw or paint?
I do mostly abstract painting.
Abstract painting. Okay. So a lot of abstract. Are you very interested in it? Like you go for classes or just a hobby?
I used to go, but I stopped.
Then you stopped. Okay. So anyway, still continue. Okay. Because only some people get the some people maybe like 5 out of 10 people in this world get the ability to paint and draw very nicely. So
Okay.
try to make the best out of it.
Thank you.
Okay. So Tara, now let's go for a game.
Sure.
Okay. So which game do you want to play?
Conventional key?
Connection game. Okay. So you start.
Okay. Apple.
Apple. Eagle.
Eagle. Elephant.
Elephant.
Yes.
Telephone.
Telephone. Envelope.
I didn't hear you.
Envelope.
Envelope. I.
Huh?
I.
Okay. Encyclopedia.
Encyclopedia. A. Ant.
And train.
I didn't hear you.
Train.
Now you have to tell a word with T.
Yeah, train.
Okay. So I have to tell a word with.
M.
Okay. Nest.
Nest. Tree.
Tree. Engine.
Engine.
Okay, so no problem. Anyway, it was a very nice game, right?
Okay.
So you tried your level best. You told many words. You even confused me also. Even I got little bit. I got stuck somewhere.
Okay.
So that's very good. Okay. So Tara, now tomorrow also you'll call.
Sure.
Okay. So anyway, Tara, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Tara who called us. And anyway, today I told you, the suspense. What is the topic for today? Yes, our topic for today is nothing else than newspapers. Newspapers and their advantages. So, what is newspapers? How does it help us? And what are the advantages? What are the tips you can, as we children can do like that? So now, what is newspapers actually? Newspapers are one of the most efficient and traditional way in which actually people spread out the information and news to other people of the world. So when you read the newspaper, it's like you have been through the world. You have traveled the world, the whole world, just in 3 minutes, because you get the information and news about the whole world, the national news, the local news, the weather report, the sports news, every single thing. If you read a newspaper, you will get to know. So it's just like traveling around the world. You get to know about each and everything that's happening everywhere. All the small interesting tips, then about the serious things, all things like that. Even in some newspapers, actually, there's a kids corner where kids can actually interesting events and which they can participate, like a writing competition, a coloring competition, maybe Dubai, there was a previous Etisalat Dubai Kids Run. So like that, many events and all they can put in that kids column. So like that also you can read the kids column. And most what I would prefer is to read the world news, because in the world news you will have relevant information about your hometown, about a place totally strange to you. Like that, you'll have information about all the places. And you should also as well as read the local news, everything, but I would prefer the world news more. So now newspapers, there are many advantages of newspapers, right? So now let's discuss any one advantage of not one, many of them. So first of all, you will have information, a lot of information about the world when you read the newspaper. And about that, not only most of us don't even know what's happening in our community. This generation is actually going to like, most of us don't even know what is happening in our community, what happened down our maybe our flat, around our villa, something like that. We won't even know even what happens in our community. So this is what so if you want to know about our community, about the whole world, you should actually read the newspaper. You will get to know a lot of things actually. And also if anyone asks you about anything related to the news, or maybe what is what is the price of something, maybe what is the price of gold, maybe what is the price of sugar, rice, something like that. Actually kids won't remember, but even if you start this reading the newspaper from childhood, from second grade or third grade only, you will start to you'll make it a part of your life, daily lives. It will be a routine, like daily schedule. After you come back from school, you read the newspaper, or before you go to school in the morning. I actually do that. I read the newspaper before I go to school, because I have 10-20 minutes before my bus comes, so I'll read the newspaper at that time. So in that time, in the morning itself, you get to know a lot of information about the world. The main newspaper, the world news, I will read, and also the sports news. So even I like to read about the sports. Then I'll check what is the weather today, because weather is also, it affects our daily lives in a lot of way. So I check the weather, if it's going to be really hot today, if it's going to be cold today, or maybe it's going to rain. So and then I'll tell all my friends also about these news. I'll share the news with everybody. And also one thing is, now there is something interesting about newspapers is that you get to go online and also see one thing, a favorite, you can go online. Most you can go to internet, you can search, because if you check the newspapers and all, you can see there will be many online websites where you can refer about more information about this news. Like that, you can refer those websites also, and you can get a lot of information. So that also can help you in a lot of ways. And that will be interesting for us also. And there is a lot of information that that is affecting us, like maybe about the daily traffic report or something like that. Like maybe our parents are taking the road every single day, so they know they'll feel the difficulties of the traffic, everything like that. So they can get an up to date where the traffic will be really high, where it will be low. They can take that part. So it will be it helps. It's just like our tablets, our phones, everything like that. It's just like that. And what a tablet and a mobile phone, everything helps us in. It makes our life easier. It actually, if I'm saying it in a more funny way, it makes us more lazy. So the mobile phones, tablets, everything makes us more lazy by not going and speaking person to person to somebody. Okay, suppose you're talking to someone from here to India or something, okay, but talking to your friends, like maybe they're just across the flat, you call them, and we become more lazy. Tablets, we play games, we can't go outside, play football, so it makes us more lazy. So even newspaper, you don't have to travel the whole world to know about the information. You can just read the newspaper, and this is a more efficient way also, because it increases your vocabulary, it increases your reading skills and listening skills. Okay, so now let's go for a caller. Hello. Okay, I guess the call had got dropped. So anyway, I was talking about newspapers. So newspapers are really important in our lives, as it actually helps us in many ways. Newspapers, I told you that if you have information about the whole world, you can go for many competitions like that. Okay, so now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello,
Hello, what's your name?
Arvind.
Adil, which grade are you in?
Grade 3.
Grade 3. Okay, which school do you go to?
Private National English School.
I didn't hear you. Tell me once more. Tell me once more. I didn't hear you.
My name is Adil.
Adil, okay. Which school do you go to, Adil?
Bhavans.
Bhavans, okay. Now I heard you. So what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies, Adil?
Hobby.
What do you do to pass time? Draw, sing, dance?
Draw.
You like drawing, okay. So what do you draw? What do you mainly draw? Pictures of fruits, pictures of people, pictures of landscape.
Paint.
You like painting, okay. What do you paint?
Paint.
Birds,
Planes.
animals, like that?
Planes.
Things, okay. You paint things. Okay, very good. So now you like painting. So do your teacher helps you a lot and all for painting?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So now Adil, can you sing a rhyme for me? Can you sing a rhyme for me? Because most of the time, small girls call me and they'll sing a rhyme for me. But small boys actually, they never sing rhymes for me.
Song?
A rhyme. If it's a song, it'll be much better.
ABCD?
Okay, so actually ABCD, everybody knows the song. So why don't you sing some other rhyme?
Twinkle.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Very good. Very good, Adil. So Adil, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Sister.
You have a sister. Okay. So she's big sister or small sister? She is big sister or small sister?
Small sister.
Small sister. So you take care of her?
Yes.
I can hear her right now. She's screaming now.
That is my baby.
Okay, so you have so your sister is a small baby.
No, I have two. One is baby, one is big.
Okay,
One
so
is a baby, one is.
okay, so you have a baby sister and a small sister.
Yes.
Okay, so what are their names?
Huh?
What is their what are their names?
Her name?
Yeah.
Amira and Alma.
Amira and Alma. Okay. So anyway, Adil, now let's go for a game.
Yes.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas. Okay, so you start. Any letter. First,
Any letter?
any letter. Any, your choice.
T.
I didn't hear you.
T.
T. No, but you have to tell me a place with T.
Please.
Yeah, Atlas. How do you play Atlas? You have to make places with letter, and with the end of that, you should not make places. You should tell me places with a letter, and with the end of that place, I should make another not make another place. I should tell another place. Like that, it continues. Okay, I will start. Okay. Okay. India.
India.
Now you have to tell me a place.
Antarctica.
Antarctica. Okay, now you got the hang of the game. So Antarctica. A. America.
Australia.
Australia. A. Agra.
Huh?
Agra.
Agra.
Now you have to tell me a place with
Andhra Pradesh.
A. Andhra Pradesh. H. Himachal Pradesh.
Huh?
Tell me your place with H now. Tell me a place with Haryana. Okay, so it was a very nice game, right?
Yes.
Okay, and you played very nicely. Okay, so anyway, Adil, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Adil who called us, and now we were talking about the advantages of reading newspaper. So I told you it will help you in quizzes and competitions and such. It will also help you to connect with your daily life situations. I told you, like suppose your daily life situations, like maybe is there going to be school, or maybe what about the school, if there what is happening about the place where you are living in, what all new things are coming in your place, what new malls are coming, what new shops are coming in your place, like that all information you can get. And most children actually tend to start reading the newspaper only when they see their parents also doing it. We do most of the things by seeing our parents. Our parents will teach us to pray, so we will also pray. Our parents will teach us how to eat, so we will also eat, in a very nice way. So like that, when our parents also teach us to read the newspaper and they read the newspaper, we will also have a feeling it's good for us, and so we will also read the newspaper. Okay, so now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Sachin.
Sachin, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
Sachin, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so Sachin, how was your school today?
Okay.
Okay, so did you learn many new things and all?
No.
No. Okay, so the same things you're learning again and again.
Yeah.
Okay, so Sachin, you're in 6th grade, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how is all the subjects, everything easy?
Yeah, easy, but Arabic now is tougher because I'm getting higher, that's it.
Okay, Arabic is tougher. So what will you do when you get to 8th grade and all? You will learn, right?
Yeah, I have to go for tuition then.
Okay, you have to go for tuitions now.
Yeah, this year onwards. For maths and
Okay.
science.
So for Arabic you have to go for tuitions now. No problem.
Yeah, not for Arabic, for maths and science only.
For maths and science. So science also is a little bit hard.
Yeah, this year you change sorry, maths like this year they have changed the auto game and everything is kind of changed. Science is more grade go like it's very confusing now.
Okay. So if you say in 6th only science is a huge confusion, then next the grades will get higher and higher, it will get tougher.
Yeah, like in 5th standard for science, like if you learn it, you need to learn it carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals. But in this, when we come here, we should learn carbohydrate differential, protein differential, and protein divided into
Yeah, every year you have to learn about the food pyramid, balanced diet, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins.
Yeah, but for us, we have so many divided like carbohydrate, like fat, animal fat, plant fat.
Yeah, animal plants, plant fats, then you have sugar, starch, like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, best of luck, Sachin. So when are your exams starting?
Tomorrow onwards my Arabic exam is starting, first exam.
First exam is Arabic exam.
Actually, my exam was starting on Sunday. First exam was social and today was computer, but one thing they postponed, social they postponed to 13th and computer 14th because today 2 days you have KHD in your school, that's why.
Okay. So Sachin, now now let's go for a game.
Yeah, I'm sad.
Why?
My cousins are there.
Your cousins,
Yeah, they went.
they went. Okay, they went back to India.
Yeah.
Okay, so very sad, right? Now you have no one to play with. No, you have a sister to play with, but still,
She's elder, but she have to study.
Okay. So how's your sister's study going on?
Good.
She's finding it easy.
What?
She's finding it easy or tough?
Finding it easy, but for maths, she's really tough.
Okay. So now let's go for a game, Sachin.
Okay.
Okay, which game do you want to play? Your favorites are over actually. Atlas is over, connection.
See, something like when you're playing Atlas, like when you're starting, like it should start. For example, when both are playing, I will say A.
Yeah, ATLAS.
AS. So from it ends it from U S. So you should say Singaporean country instead of that. It ends with S. You can't start with other letter.
No, because most when small children are called, they maybe get confused. So you can start with letter which you want. Then the game gets tougher.
Yeah, if a small children you try like about 10 years old, you can now do because that's why.
Okay, Sachin. So next time somebody calls and they want to play Atlas, we'll do that. ATLAS, okay?
Yeah, but what time is it now?
Now I have GK questions, real questions, so many games. So which game do you want?
Memory game?
I didn't hear you.
Memory game.
I didn't hear you.
Memory game.
Memory game. Yes, I have memory game.
Okay.
So you start. You know how to play a memory game, right?
Yeah.
With fruits.
Yeah, fruit also you can play with another thing also you can play.
Okay, we'll play with fruits, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you start.
Apple.
Apple, banana.
Apple, banana, orange.
Apple, banana, orange, grapes.
Apple, banana, orange, grapes, mango.
Apple, banana, orange, grapes, mango, pineapple.
Apple, orange, banana.
Wrong.
No, I said apple, banana.
You didn't say banana.
I told.
No, you said.
You told.
No, you forgot banana. You said apple, orange.
Sorry, apple, banana, orange, pineapple, no, grape, pineapple, then, no.
Now it's over, Sachin. Next time you can try again, okay?
Okay.
Because I
Can I
thought.
ask you a question?
Okay.
Like, in the world, how much countries are there?
In the world, how much countries are there? Something 124 or something. 152, 124.
Wrong.
I don't know.
Like, it's in the rate of 200 like that.
200. So 224. But no. 124 languages, not countries. Sorry. 200. I actually don't know. 225 maybe. I don't know. So how many countries are there, Sachin? Okay, I guess the call had got dropped. He wanted to say how many countries are there in the world. I will research on this and come next day. And I will also tell, or maybe Sachin can tell me the next day. Okay, so we were actually talking about the advantages and disadvantages of newspaper. So now advantages are actually over. So now let's go for some tips, of newspaper. So tips for us children to follow while we are reading the newspaper. So one thing is that you can make cutouts of a newspaper, important ones. You can cut out them and you can stick it, maybe you can stick it in a book, or maybe you can put it in files, or you can highlight them in the newspaper. But it'll be really tough to stock all the newspapers. So you can just cut it out. Or also we had actually our teacher when we were in 6th grade. Our teacher told us to make a book on the latest news. So for 1 year we had to make this book, and every day you had to write at least 5 important newspaper, any 5 important information of from the newspaper in that book. So you can also maintain a book like that, and you can write all the important information in that book, and you can just refer that book when you're going for any competition, quizzes, debating, anything like that. You will have general knowledge about the world. So actually this is our topic, newspapers and their advantages. So now let's go for a short rhyme. So I hope you all enjoy this rhyme. So anyway, our topic for today is newspapers. So newspapers, even if you know anything about newspapers, even you can tell me actually. So you can actually call me and tell, or otherwise you can even SMS it to 3537 and I will be reading it out. Okay, so now let's go for a caller. Hello. Hello, what's your name? Vishnu, how old are you?
No, my name is Lakshmi.
Lakshmi?
Yeah.
Okay, I heard Vishnu, okay, sorry.
Okay.
So Lakshmi, which grade are you in?
I'm in 12th.
You are in 3rd grade.
Yeah.
Okay, Lakshmi, which school do you go to?
I'm in Sharjah Indian School.
Sharjah Indian School. Okay, Lakshmi, what are your best friends' names?
My best friend name is, I have so many friends.
You have so many friends, you can't decide from that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Lakshmi, do you have any brothers or sisters?
No.
No. Okay. So who do you play with?
I play with my friends.
You play with your friends. Okay. So your friends living near you and all, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Lakshmi, what are your hobbies?
I don't know.
You don't know what your hobbies are. What do you do to pass your time?
That read storybooks.
You read books, you study, you play and all, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So now, Lakshmi, now let's go for a game.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'll tell you one word and you have to tell me I'll tell you one letter and you have to tell me 5 words that starts with this letter, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So your letter is T. So tell me 5 words that starts with T.
Tree.
Tree, okay.
Then train.
Train, okay. Everything you play with you play with many things, right? What is it?
Toy.
Toy, okay. Now 2 more words. Very big person.
Toy.
Tall, okay. Now 1 more word.
Tokyo.
I didn't hear you.
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Yeah.
Okay, Tokyo, no problem. So anyway, it was a very nice game, right? You told all the 5 words.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay, so Lakshmi, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, so that was Lakshmi who called us. And anyway, our topic for today was newspapers, right? So, and also, there are many, most of them who called me today, they were very good artists. So, even if you are a very good artist like that, but you don't want, so you can share those pictures with us actually in kiddokids@ntvua.com. So you can send in your pictures to kiddokids@ntvua.com, and we will be surely, we'll be showing it to everybody. And don't forget to send your name along with it, so you can tell who sent the picture and also your grade. Okay, so now let's go for a short rhyme. So I hope you all enjoy this rhyme. And this rhyme, most of the rhymes, for small children, they enjoy these rhymes. So now let's go for that rhyme.